What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we wake up to very exciting news from Lamborghini. Limited editions are coming soon. Watch this space for a very special unveiling on April 21st, 2023. Your favorite Huracan models like you've never seen them before, in celebration of Automobili Lamborghini's 60th anniversary. Stay tuned. So what it looks like to me is they're making a Huracan 60th Anniversario. So basically the Technica is going to be a 60th anniversary edition, it seems. And it looks like in the back is an Evo all-wheel drive Spider. And back there is another one, Evo all-wheel drive Spider. And another Technica. But if you look closely on the Evo all-wheel drive Spider, there's a 60th anniversary plaque on the seat. So that seems to be pretty cool with that. So stay tuned. It's coming out April 21st, 2023. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Exciting. They're making another Huracan. We'll see. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more content like this and everything I'm doing in the future with Lamborghini. I have a lot more reviews coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. Stick around because there's going to be a lot more coming soon. Like this video too. See you later.